Good morning, and what a fantastic day it is. Not because of the weather, that's a bonus, but because we're going to be uncovering the oak. We're going to be starting on the roof. I woke up very excited this morning. It's been a long time in the making to get to this stage. Thank you for continuing to watch the slow, tedious process to get to this stage. But finally, we're going to get into the juicy stuff, which is some woodwork. We're going to uncover the oak. We're going to go through it all, deciding on exactly which pieces I'm going to use for which part. And yeah, I think we're going to get the machines out and start planing some timber. Oh, that smells good. So much easier with the tent on. Yep, that's easier. Noise. Try and protect it as much. La la. Just refilled this and it's got a lot of dust on it. Best investment ever. Beautiful day, still going to get showers, got all this electrical gear out. It'll get mullered with the rain otherwise. Stop, start, stop, start. So happy we got this. Bring me I'm planing these pieces down. Well, I've got to plane all of the timber down. These pieces here, this one and the top section here, are for me the most crucial. These are going to be the wall plate. These are going to be the pieces that I'm going to be putting on top of the concrete beam, which the two trusses are going to sit on, but also all of the roof rafters, the pieces that go from the bottom of the concrete all the way to the top of the apex there. I need that piece to be, in a sense, perfect, because I will be notching out a bird's mouth to hook onto it, and this has to be as level and as square as possible. The concrete is, I know, I'm happy with that, there's no issues with that, but this piece now has to be also as good as the concrete. The trusses that we'll be making later, I'm still going to do them correctly and properly and square, but there can be variations. Whereas this, I got some more seasoned timber for this because basically the entire structure is going to be sitting on top of this. So I wanted this to be more seasoned than the green timber that we've got for the trusses. I don't know if that makes sense, but visually we'll be seeing it throughout the processes. Okay, what we got? We've got a section here. We've got the high here. That's the high. Yeah? High. Although, to be fair, if you take this one out, where's the light? I can see the lights. It is a little lumpy lump here, just here. I'd rather take that out. I think that can drop. Woo! The rain, the sun, everything, all at once. Awesome. I love that when it happens. It's raining properly, but yet the sun's there. I love that. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Yeah, boy. Sweet, nice, happy with that. Imagine something like this battery powered in the future. That would be mental. It's the only good one. That's the one. Need to keep it lined up. A little bit everywhere. Although, ooh.
And with the rain still pouring, thank you so much for watching and for all the likes, the comments and the hypes. And don't miss next vlog. There's a surprise many of you have been waiting for coming up. See you on Wednesday.